Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, canker sores. These pesky little ulcers can be quite painful, but don't worry, we've got some natural remedies to help you out. We'll explore some simple yet effective home remedies that can provide relief and speed up the healing process. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to canker sore discomfort, stick around and let's get started. Our first remedy is a classic for a reason, the saltwater rinse. This age-old solution has been trusted for generations and continues to be a go-to remedy for many oral health issues. This simple solution harnesses the power of salt to create an environment that's not so friendly to those pesky bacteria that might be hanging around your canker sore. Salt, a natural antiseptic, works wonders in maintaining oral hygiene. Think of it as creating a less hospitable environment for those unwanted guests. The salt essentially dehydrates the bacteria, making it difficult for them to survive and multiply. Now let's talk about how to make this magical rinse. It's incredibly easy and requires just 2 ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. Grab a glass of warm water, not too hot, not too cold. Think comfortably lukewarm. The temperature is important because it helps the salt dissolve more effectively and feels soothing in your mouth. Add a teaspoon of salt and give it a good stir until the salt dissolves completely. Make sure there are no granules left at the bottom of the glass. You want to create a nice, even solution. This ensures that the salt is evenly distributed and can work its magic throughout your mouth. Once your saltwater rinse is ready, it's time to put it to work. Take a moment to prepare yourself for the rinse. Take a sip and swish it around your mouth gently, making sure it reaches the area where your canker sore is. Be thorough but gentle to avoid irritating the sore further. Focus on that area for about 30 seconds to a minute, allowing the salt water to do its thing. The longer you can swish, the more effective the rinse will be. After a good swish, spit out the salt water and rinse your mouth with plain water. This helps to remove any residual salt and leaves your mouth feeling fresh. You can repeat this process a few times a day, especially after meals and before bedtime. Regular rinsing helps to keep the area clean and promotes faster healing. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. Make it a part of your daily routine for the best results. The beauty of the saltwater rinse lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's a quick and easy way to find relief without any harsh chemicals. Salt is a natural antiseptic, meaning it helps to inhibit the growth of bacteria. This makes it an excellent choice for treating minor oral issues. It also helps to reduce inflammation and promote healing. The saltwater rinse can soothe the irritated tissue and speed up the recovery process. So, next time a canker sore tries to bring you down, remember this simple remedy. With just a little salt and water, you can find relief and get back to your day with a smile. Let's move on to our next natural remedy, the baking soda paste. This simple yet effective solution can be a game changer for those pesky canker sores. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a pantry staple with a surprising number of uses, and tackling canker sores is definitely one of them. It's not just for baking, it has a multitude of health benefits. Baking soda works its magic by neutralizing the acids in your mouth that might be irritating your canker sore. This neutralization process helps to reduce the pain and inflammation associated with canker sores. It's like creating a soothing, pH-balanced environment for your mouth to heal. A balanced pH level is crucial for maintaining oral health and speeding up the healing process. Plus, baking soda has mild antiseptic properties which can help keep those pesky bacteria at bay. This means it not only soothes the sore but also prevents further infection. To create your own baking soda paste, grab a small bowl and add a teaspoon of baking soda. It's a simple and quick process that you can do in just a few minutes. Gradually add a few drops of water, mixing it with the baking soda until you form a smooth paste. The key is to add the water slowly to get the right consistency. You don't want it too runny or too thick, just the right consistency to apply easily. Think of it like a thick cream that can stay in place on the sore. Once your paste is ready, gently apply it directly to your canker sore using a cotton swab or a clean finger. Make sure to cover the sore completely for maximum effect. Leave it on for a few minutes to allow the baking soda to work its magic. This waiting period is crucial for the paste to neutralize the acids and start the healing process. You might feel a slight tingling sensation, but don't worry, that's normal. This tingling is a sign that the baking soda is actively working on the sore. After a few minutes, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove the paste. Make sure to rinse well to avoid any residue that might cause dryness. You can repeat this process a couple of times a day until your canker sore starts to feel better. Regular application ensures that the sore is consistently treated. Remember, consistency is key with natural remedies. Stick to the routine, and you'll likely see improvement in no time. Natural remedies like this require patience and regular application for the best results. Now, let's talk about a remedy that's not only effective but also quite delicious. Honey. Honey has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries, and for good reason. It's a natural humectant, which means it helps to retain moisture, and this can be particularly soothing for a canker sore. But that's not all. Honey also boasts impressive antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its natural enzymes and antioxidants. These properties make honey a powerful ally in the fight against canker sores, helping to reduce inflammation, fight off infection, and promote faster healing. Using honey to soothe your canker sore is incredibly simple. Start by washing your hands thoroughly. Then, dip a clean cotton swab or your finger into some raw, unprocessed honey. Apply a small amount of honey directly to your canker sore, making sure to coat it evenly. You can repeat this process several times a day, especially after meals and before bedtime. The honey will create a protective barrier over the canker sore, while its natural healing properties go to work. Plus, the sweet taste is a bonus. Let's move on to another natural powerhouse, coconut oil. This oil, derived from the meat of mature coconuts, has been a staple in tropical regions for centuries. This versatile oil has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Not only is it used in cooking and baking, but it also has numerous applications in beauty and health. It's packed with health benefits, and its ability to combat canker sores is just one of them. Coconut oil is also known for its moisturizing properties, making it a favorite in skincare routines. Coconut oil possesses potent antimicrobial properties thanks to its high lauric acid content. Lauric acid is a medium-chain fatty acid that is particularly effective in fighting off harmful microorganisms. Lauric acid is a type of fatty acid that has been shown to effectively kill harmful bacteria and viruses, including those that might be contributing to your canker sore woes. This makes coconut oil a natural remedy for maintaining oral health. The method we're going to use to harness the power of coconut oil is called oil pulling, an ancient practice that involves swishing oil around in your mouth. This practice dates back thousands of years and is rooted in Ayurvedic medicine. It might sound a bit strange, but trust me, it's worth trying. Many people have reported significant improvements in their oral health after incorporating oil pulling into their daily routine. To practice oil pulling, put a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth. If it's solid, let it melt in your mouth for a few seconds. The warmth of your mouth will quickly turn the solid oil into a liquid. If it's solid, let it melt in your mouth for a few seconds. As it melts, you'll notice the texture becoming smooth and easy to swish around. Then swish the oil gently around your mouth, making sure it reaches all the nooks and crannies, including the area around your canker sore. The swishing action helps to dislodge food particles and bacteria from your teeth and gums. Continue swishing for about 10 to 15 minutes. This might seem like a long time, but it allows the oil to thoroughly coat your teeth, gums, and tongue, drawing out impurities and promoting oral health. You can use this time to relax, meditate, or even catch up on your favorite podcast. This might seem like a long time, but it allows the oil to thoroughly coat your teeth, gums, and tongue, drawing out impurities and promoting oral health. Regular oil pulling can lead to fresher breath, whiter teeth, and healthier gums. Plus, it gives the lauric acid in the coconut oil ample time to work its magic on those pesky bacteria. The antimicrobial properties of lauric acid help to reduce inflammation and speed up the healing process of canker sores. After swishing, spit out the oil into a trash can. Don't spit it into the sink, as it can solidify and clog the drain. The oil will have absorbed toxins and bacteria, so it's important to dispose of it properly. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water and brush your teeth as usual. This helps to remove any remaining oil and ensures your mouth feels fresh and clean. You can practice oil pulling once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Starting your day with this routine can set a positive tone for your oral hygiene and overall health. Our final remedy for today comes from the remarkable aloe vera plant. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing and healing properties, and it's been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions, including burns, cuts, and yes, even canker sores. The gel found inside the aloe vera plant contains compounds that possess anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. These properties make aloe vera a potent natural remedy for canker sores, helping to reduce pain, swelling, and redness, while also promoting faster healing. Using aloe vera for canker sores is incredibly simple. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, simply break off a leaf and extract the gel. If not, you can easily find pure aloe vera gel at most drugstores and health food stores. Once you have your aloe vera gel, apply a small amount directly to your canker sore using a clean cotton swab or your finger. Gently massage the gel into the sore and let it sit for a few minutes to allow it to penetrate. You can repeat this process several times a day, especially after meals and before bedtime. The cool, soothing sensation of aloe vera gel provides immediate relief from the pain and discomfort associated with canker sores. Meanwhile, its powerful healing properties go to work, reducing inflammation, fighting off infection, and speeding up the healing process. And there you have it, folks. 5 natural remedies to help you tackle those annoying canker sores. Remember, these remedies can provide relief and support healing, but it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or dentist if you have any concerns or if your canker sores are severe or persistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.